Subscribe, like, and share. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? It's beautiful, vast, and seems so distant. But what if I told you that what's happening up there in space is deeply connected to the biggest challenge we face right here on Earth? Global warming? It sounds like science fiction, but it's very real. Let's start with our sun. It's the engine of our solar system, and its energy is what makes life on Earth possible. But the sun's activity isn't constant. It goes through cycles, with periods of more or fewer sunspots and solar flares. These changes affect the amount of energy reaching our planet. For a long time, scientists have studied these solar cycles to understand their influence on our climate. While they do play a role, the current rapid warming we're seeing can't be explained by the sun alone. The real game changer is what happens to that solar energy once it gets here. That's where greenhouse gases come in. Think of our atmosphere as a giant invisible blanket. Gases like carbon dioxide and methane trap heat from the sun, keeping our planet warm enough for us to live. This is the natural greenhouse effect. But human activities, like burning fossil fuels, have added massive amounts of these gases to the atmosphere, making that blanket thicker and thicker, where heat gets trapped and the planet warms up. So how does space help us understand this? Through satellites, we have an entire fleet of eyes in the sky. It's constantly monitoring Earth. These incredible machines measure everything from the temperature of our oceans to the thickness of ice sheets at the poles. They track deforestation in the Amazon and measure the exact amount of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. This data from space provides the undeniable evidence of how our climate is changing and helps scientists create models to predict future changes. It's like getting a global health checkup from orbit. But the connection doesn't stop there. The study of other planets, like Venus and Mars, gives us crucial insights. Venus has a runaway greenhouse effect, with a thick, toxic atmosphere that makes its surface hotter than a pizza oven. Mars, on the other hand, has a very thin atmosphere and is incredibly cold. By studying these extreme examples, we learn more about the delicate balance that makes Earth so special, and what could happen if that balance is tipped too far. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember that space isn't just a distant wonder. It holds the key to understanding our own planet, revealing the profound impact we're having, giving us the tools we need to protect our only home. It's a cosmic perspective on a global challenge. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that connects the dots between our world and the universe. See you next time.